Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out my YouTube video. I am Sable the Great. This is my first YouTube shoot, so bear with me as I go through this. But I wanted to show y'all what I got in the mail today. It's my Ipsy. Yes. So this is my first Ipsy package that I received. I was so excited that I opened the packaging, but I spared the baggage and the actual product, because I wanted y'all to view along as I open it. I'm super excited. This is my first one, like I said. Cannot wait. So, let's get started. This is what it looks like on the inside. Very cute. It's very pink to go with the sparkly. The first thing would be this matte lipstick. Very cute. Look at the name brand there, so you can see. And then the color as well. It's like an orange matte looking. Looks like you can just slap it on and go about your day, honey. Okay, so second thing would be this Radiant Glow highlighter. Packaging is very cute. I like it. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ah, fancy. Okay. Let's see, girls. Let's see. Okay, that's cute. So it's made by IBY. Let's see what the actual inside of the product looks like. Ah, shimmer, honey. Look at that. That looks like it's gonna pop. So let's see. Let's go on to the third thing. It would be this rehydrating gel. It's in a cute little black box. Let's actually see what the product looks like. Ah, look at that. That's cute. Labels on there. Let's see the inside. Okay, so it has a seal so it doesn't dry up. Just put that in the top right there. It smells good. It's clear. You won't be able to see it when you're rehydrating. So that's good. Cute little boxing and product. Fourth thing would be a moisturizing shine. So I've actually used this product before. It works really good. It moisturizes like there's no tomorrow. And last but not least is my favorites. So I wear mascara every day. Love it. I always put it on. One of my favorite products. That's the name of this. So it gives it a good old bang. If you can see it on there, it says. Let's actually see what it looks like. So I'm gonna have a video of me putting it on just because I love mascara and I always try on different products just to see how it makes my eyelashes look and feel. So that's a cute little brush. I like that. So make sure you like and subscribe this video. Tell me exactly how you think I did, the good and the bad. Like I said, it's my first one, so I'll have many more to come. I'm going to do makeup tutorials, opening packagings. So just subscribe, follow along as I go along. Thank you for watching.